Pisces, welcome back to my channel. And in case if you're new over here, then hello, my name is Tarusha Saxena and I welcome you to this beautiful world of tarot. On this channel, my dear friends, you are going to find weekly and monthly zodiac readings like this one, and fun pick a card readings about your love, marriage, children, career, finance, life, and so much more, my dear friend. So in case if these topics interest you, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications about my upcoming videos. And disclaimers that this reading, Pisces, is an absolute general reading for the upcoming week for you, all right? And in case if it does not resonate with you, then don't forget to check out my other weekly zodiac readings as per your sun, moon, rising, and Venus signs. All right, and also remember the timing is fluid and this reading is absolutely timeless. So whenever you come across this reading is meant for you at that point in time, irrespective of date, month, time, and year. All right, it will be valid for you for that upcoming week. Okay, Pisces, and by the way, I stay in South India, and like, what beautiful weather today. Normally people call it gloomy, but I love this weather. It's like so grayish, and it's going to like rain cats and dogs today. Anyways, let's see what's in store for Pisces for this week. Pisces, let's get started. Wow, I just did a reading for Aquarius, and their first card as well was the Ace of Cups. So again, for you, my dear Pisces, a wish of your heart is going to be coming true very, very soon. What is it that you're asking? Queen of Swords, decisions, Page of Pentacles. Okay, what are you asking for? Six of Rods. We have the Strength, the Queen of Pentacles. The card is repeating. Seven of Swords. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Hermit card. Overall energy is the Page of Cups, and let's see what's here. The Three of Rods. All right, I have really missed this deck. I have been doing readings with my original Rider-Waite tarot deck since last 2 weeks, because I have used and abused my Morgan Greer deck since last couple of months. So I kind of like put it aside for some time to get recharged with selenite crystal, because selenite is a beautiful recharging crystals for tarot decks. So I'm finally back with my Morgan Greer with a beautiful energy that this deck has right now, after getting recharged, and like I'm just so feeling charged up, and they just suddenly seem so bright and so attractive, and suddenly like soaking you in, isn't it? Okay, let's get started, Pisces. Okay, so Ace of Cups. The Ace of Cups tell me, Pisces, that you have been wishing for something since last couple of months, or maybe a year or so, and that wish, my dear friend, is now going to be coming true for you very, very soon in this week. All right, you can expect to hear a good news in the beginning of this week. I also see that there has been some kind of decision that you have been meaning to take, which you may have been thinking about for quite some time, and it's coming to be true. All right, I mean, you are reaching a decision about something very, very soon. All right, and I somehow see a very beautiful female energy over here. I don't know why. So this could be you, Pisces, or this could be a female in your life, but somehow I'm feeling that this is you, Pisces. This is the second time I'm feeling a very strong Pisces energy in a Piscean reading, and in case if you're a Pisces woman watching this, then I suddenly feel that you're feeling very. This is the time in your life when you are feeling very beautiful about yourself, or you are taking care of something or doing something to feel that beauty in you. All right, but this is the time in your life where you're feeling very, very, very beautiful about you. All right, and just look at this colors of this, these flowers in this, if you can see it very clearly. Look at the colors. Okay, so this is exactly the feel of this color. Okay, this is exactly how you're feeling in your life right now. Very beautiful. All right, this the beauty of this card, like just totally soaks you in it, isn't it? Also, I see that there is some kind of creative energy about you. So there is some creativity that you right now are pursuing. Okay, and it's making you feel good and content, and you're quite happy doing what you're doing. about it. I also feel that there is some kind of financial gains that you are expecting, and it's going to come to you very very soon. I also feel that with regard to some work, if there has been a project or work or some good news related to your work, job or business, if you have been expecting some news, or your work to take some direction, it's going to happen very very soon this week. You can expect something to move forward in next 6 days. All right. I also see that this particular week you're going to be feeling very strong. All right. In the mid of this week, you're definitely going to feel very 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 strong. You are a strong personality, but of course there are times in life where sometimes we definitely feel low and down and dejected. But this particular week, I see that you feel very beautiful. There is a feeling of victory, there is a feeling of fulfillment with a wish coming to be true. And also you have a very beautiful card energy, with the energy of Queen of Pentacles, which means that at home things are going to be very beautiful for you this week. At home things are going to be very very nice, very 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 cozy, if I can use the word very cozy. So the environment at your home is going to be very cozy for you, and you'll be totally like indulged in being a homely person for this week. Loving and enjoying the company of your children if you have, or loving and enjoying the company of your husband, doing cooking nice food for your husband or for yourself, if you're single. But whatever it is, with respect to your home and surroundings, you're going to be feeling very cozy and nice, comfortable, and so much stable, and just happy and content in your surroundings and in your place right now. I also feel that towards the end of this week, what's going to happen is that there might be these feelings that you have been feeling might start a little to fade away. All right, because the beginning and the mid of this week would have gone right, but then towards the end there must be some underlying things which will come in the forefront, and or you might just remember certain things which might start making you feel a little low and exhausted emotionally and mentally. So what I feel is that in case if there are any things that you have been there might be a situation or a couple of things that you might start hiding from others in terms of your feelings or thoughts. Maybe you might be thinking that those things might hurt others, or it could be about them, and which you are just like kind of absorbing and not really sharing with them, thinking that it might just spoil the situation. So you're just like absorbing everything, which is eventually going to exhaust you and going to make you feel very lonely. And I somehow feel that this is okay yeah, it's going to make you feel a little lonely. It's kind of going to make you feel very exhausted on a soul level. Your soul will, from beginning of this week towards the end of this week, suddenly towards the end of the you'll feel your soul will feel drained, and you will feel like you need to kind of recharge your soul, reconnect with your soul. All right. So that is how your week is going to end, is what I see. Also there is a lot of hard work, whether in a relationship or at home or in your work or your business, that you have invested a lot of hard work in it. And this is the week where you can expect some kind of benefits coming from your hard work that you have been putting on to. There is also whether it is this particular result that you're waiting for, or whether it is this particular wish of your heart that you're waiting to be fulfilled, or it is this good news regarding your work. Whatever it is, there is a good news, there is good time, there is wish of your heart getting fulfilled, and you're waiting for that because you know that it's going to come. You might also be making some plans or to plans for travel. Yeah, I definitely see that there could be an opportunity for you to travel, especially with respect to your work, in case if you are working. All right. Also the overall energy for you is the Page of Cups, and what I feel is that this energy is kind of trying to hint that everything in this whole week is good. all right. Only thing pulling you down is this exhaustion of your soul towards the end of the week. So what this card is telling you, basically the Page of Cups is telling you that take care of your emotional needs, all right. Also, while you are taking care of your Queen of Pentacles energy, which is taking care of everything about your house, your family members, your husband, children, in case if you're married, in case if you're not married, then taking care of the house, your family members, whoever you're living with, whatever it is. But if there is anything else apart from you consuming too much of your attention, do it, enjoy it, but also do it for yourself too. Give time, attention and emotional security to yourself too, all right. So try to balance that energy as far as your emotional state is concerned. Now let's see what messages or guidance do your angels or ancestors have for you for this upcoming week, Pisces. Let's see what messages and guidance does Pisces ancestors and angels want to give them. Let's see. So they say trust in the unknown. You need to trust in the unknown is the first guidance that you've received from your ancestors. The Sky Father, he's telling you that you need to trust the unknown, all right. You need to trust the unknown. So maybe they're trying to hint that with this energy of Seven of Swords, where you're thinking too much in your own head about a situation and really not sharing it with anybody, and you're just like absorbing, which is eventually going to make you feel exhausted. You can maybe trust somebody and share your feelings, all right. Let's see what's next. I feel like taking this card. Release the old and rest. You need to release the old and rest. So if there is something you are holding on to, you need to release it, all right. Release the old and then take some rest. Give rest to your soul, because it is going to get really exhausted over here very soon, in no time, all right, in no time. Let's see what's next for you. Let's see what is next for Pisces. Stay rooted and grounded. You need to stay rooted and grounded. This means, all right, this really means that if there is literally something which is like getting on your head right now, okay, any energy, whether it is the strength, a good news, fulfillment of some good news, or anything in your head, in your life right now, if you are using your mind too much, you need to stay rooted and grounded, because once you stay connected with the earth element, rooted and grounded through meditation or whatever, you might not be able to reach this state. It can save you from reaching this the exertion of your soul, all right. So these are the guidances for you from your ancestors and your angels, Pisces. So this was your reading for this upcoming week, all right. And when I say upcoming week, it means that whenever you watch this video, irrespective of date, time, month and year, this reading will be applicable for you for that particular upcoming week, all right, Pisces. Until then, sorry, not until then, but I will see you in my next video very soon, which will be about your next upcoming week for August, all right, Pisces. So until then, take very good care of yourself, stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.